What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? All right, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Self Healing Chat. I was thinking of a name for this, and I'm thinking Harvest of Healing or something like that. Anyhow, I'm thinking of a name. I hope y'all had an amazing day yesterday. I hope you caught yesterday's video about things we can do to protect ourselves and our family from sickness, these colds and viruses and flus running around. We need to protect ourselves, and that video yesterday, you should check it out. It was a good one. But today we're going to talk about castor oil and the benefits. And we get a lot of questions about castor oil. Castor is a ricinous plant. It is a very poisonous seed that it put off. So if you grow it, you should grow it away from your animals and definitely keep it safe from your kids, so they don't eat the seeds or the beans that come from it. But it's highly poisonous. We do grow it, but it's a tricky plant to have to handle and play with. But the castor oil, we all remember castor oil as little kids. We used to drink castor oil. So most people have shied away from it because, like, I ain't drinking that stuff. Well, now we don't drink it anymore. What we do is we just put it in our navel at bedtime for the most part. I do use it in my hair. I make my own hair oil, so I do mix a little castor oil with that. And on the skin most of the time. I use tallow on my skin now, but I do use castor oil occasionally too as a moisturizer. But a few benefits of castor oil. Castor oil can boost the immune system, can improve sleep. This is why we drop it in our navel. Fight fungal infections, heal burns, can help with cosmetic issues or beautify the skin. It can induce labor, so if you are pregnant, you want to be careful with castor oil. Ease migraines, can help with hair growth, treat arthritis, reduce stretch marks, reduce wrinkles, treat corns or calluses, can treat colic, can help improve asthma, improve the lymphatic system, heal wounds, moisturize, treat acne. It's an eye relief, or you can drop it in the eyes to help with things like floaters or clarification. It's healthy for the hair, skin, and nails. Reduce dandruff, can help with carpal tunnel issues, digestive issues. Is a natural lubricant, and it has natural cancer properties, anti-cancer properties. I am not a doctor. I am just stating some of the research that we have done. I cannot give medical advice, but I can share my story with y'all, or our story. Now, again, we do drop castor oil in the navel at bedtime. Occasionally, we'll drop a drop in our eyes also to help with vision or to keep our eyes nice and lubricated. But you can just rub it on like a lotion. You can always mix castor. If you make a magnesium spray that we talked about, you can mix a few drops or a little bit of castor oil with that, and that'll help lubricate your skin also. And again, it will penetrate. Castor oil is the deepest penetrating oil. Again, another blessing God provided for us to stay healthy and well. And we should learn how to use it and not be afraid that we got to drink it, because we ain't drinking it no more. We do infuse products. I don't have it here. Like our pain away oil. We do put a little castor oil in our pain away oil because the benefits are amazing. Again, it can help with things such as arthritis and inflammation and wounds and all these other things. So if you purchase our pain away oil, it does have a little castor oil in it. And you can rub that pain away oil anywhere. It's all natural. If you use it around the eyes, just around the eyes, but not inside, because we do have cayenne infused in that too. Which make an amazing rub. So if you have a cayenne infused castor oil, that stuff is better than, a lot of people use Tiger Balm. No, you don't need that. But it can help in so many ways. Like we started using it about a year or so ago, and my husband, I noticed that he wasn't getting a good night rest. But when he started dropping it in his navel, he slept like a baby. And if he stopped, he could tell the difference. With me, I was using it more so for pain. Because I had that major back injury in 2013. I suffered with pain every day. And when I heard about the goodness of the castor oil, and I said, I got to try this. because I'm tired of hurting. So I dropped a few drops in my navel, and I woke up the next day pain free. I have since we've started using castor oil in our pain away oil. I will rub it on the bottom of my feet. So if you suffer with things such as neuropathy or sciatic issues, if you take a napkin and you want to kind of fold it or lay it, but you want to saturate it good with castor oil and sprinkle some cayenne pepper on it and let it soak in, and then stick it on the bottom of your foot and put a sock on. I did that for about a week, and my neuropathy and sciatic issues calmed down a lot. But now what I do is a couple times a month, I rub the pain away oil on the bottom of my feet, my foot, so that I don't have that sciatic issue. Today I'm 100% pain free. I don't have sciatic issues or neuropathy. I know the injuries are there, so I am careful, but I don't have any pain or discomfort at all. You can also use castor oil packs if you have fibroids, tumors, any type of gut issues, bone spurs, like so many things, y'all, you can use castor oil for. So definitely do your research on castor oil. It is one of God's many blessings that he provided us with to keep ourselves well, and it's all natural. It is very safe. Sometimes I rub a little bit on my dogs if they have a dry spot or something going on. Castor oil, so that's a good one. Make sure you join us Monday. We will start talking about, I think we'll start off with teas, because teas are very simple and a lot of people like to drink tea. So we'll talk about herbal teas on Monday. I think Harvest to Healing, or Harvest of Healing, something like that. But we'll know by Monday what we're going to call this series. But get your notebook ready. I got notebooks, y'all. A lot of them. So get your notebooks ready so we can take some notes, because class will be in session. We're going to learn. We're going to learn these herbs, and we're going to take our time. So feel free to give us, what do you want to learn in this series? What are you looking forward to most of all in this series? So I can make sure I take my time on certain things, because y'all know I can just blow through some stuff because I love to talk. But I want to take my time because I want you to learn for sure. So we'll talk about the basics of teas and what teas are for, and I'll show you how we keep ours in our apothecary, and maybe make a tea or something while we chit-chatting for a minute. Again, this series will go on until we are able to go live here soon. So share this out. Somebody need to know about the goodness of castor oil. But we all need to thank God for providing us with things such as castor oil. So definitely share this out. If you are not following us, hit that follow button. It does help us tremendously. And it is totally free. But we are here to learn. We are here to help. We are here to encourage. We are y'all biggest cheerleaders. Y'all, self-healing is real. You can heal yourself. And we're going to learn a whole lot over the next few weeks on how and what you need to use to heal yourself. We'll also go over like an apothecary supply list, some of the things that I think are important that I use all the time. So I shall see y'all Monday. I hope and pray y'all have a beautiful weekend. Y'all may hear from Bobby, my husband, over the weekend. But until then, I'll see y'all Monday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here at Bobby and Sherry Lifestyle. I wanted to say Black Tropical Homestead, because we are still Black Tropical Homestead and Bobby and Sherry Lifestyle. So y'all have a blessed weekend, and don't let nobody and nothing steal your joy.